Hello everyone, my name is Akash Dikshit. Today is 12 October 2021. So today we discuss about the string. Firstly, what is the string? In a Java, string is basically the object that can be represent the sequence of the characters in a array. The array character sequence, it can be work. It's same as the string. So in a Java, the string have the lot of methods to operation on the class of the string, such as the equal to, substring, to uppercase, to lowercase, compare to, and other more methods are there in string. We can discuss later. Then the string can implement the comparable, serialization, and the char sequence. The char sequence interface can be used to represent the sequence of the character of a string. The string buffer, and the string builder can also implement the character sequence. So the string in a Java, string is the immutable. It means we cannot be change the string. If we change the string, there is the new instant can be created. We use for a mutable string we use the string buffer, string builder, and the string for the mutable. What is the string buffer? The string buffer, it can be created. The string buffer implements the char sequence. The string buffer is the peer class of the string that can provide a functionality of the string. The string represent the fixed length and the sequence of characters, but while the string buffer can represent the growable and the writable character sequence. And also the string buffer have the characters substring. They can be inserted middle or the end of the string buffer. Next is the string builder. The string builder is it can be mutable string class. The string buffer is the mutable sequence of a character that can be represent the API compatible with the string buffer, but it cannot be guarantee of the in this method. It cannot be have the guarantee to the synchronization, but at the execution speed and the performance, it is the feature of the string. So the string buffer, string builder can be used in the place of the string buffer, because we can have to give the more execution speed and the performance. The distinction between the string buffer and the string builder: the string buffer can have the synchronization. It means it also have the thread safety, but in a builder there is no synchronization, so there is no safety of the thread. Next is the operation. There is the low execution operation due to the thread safety feature can be used in a buffer. In a builder there is the better operation speed, because of there is no use of the thread safe. The buffer can introduce the 1.2 Java and builder can be introduced the 1.5 Java. So the string can be the string can be created, or the string can be created with the help of two ways. First is by the string literal, and second is by the new keyword. The string literal, it is a the string literal, it can be used in string mostly. The string literal is the created by using the double quotes. For example, string yes is equal to, in double quote, Hefshine. So at the time we can create a string literal. So that time JVM can firstly check the SCP. SCP means the string control pool. In string control pool, there is the string can be if the string can be already exist, then the reference can be return the value of the instant. But there is no already string is exist in a SCP. So there is the new instant can be created and placed in a SCP. For example, string yes is equal to welcome, and string yes2 is equal to the welcome. But string yes2 welcome, it cannot be create a new instant. We can use the string literal, because of we can make the more memory efficient in a class, because there is no new object can be created if the string can be already exist in a SCP. So next is the by new keyword. So by new keyword, so in such case the JVM can create a new string object in a normal heap memory, and the string literal can be placed inside the SCP, and the variable can be referred to the object in a heap normal memory. So there are some points about distinction between the string and the array. The array can be hold any type of data type, but in a string can only hold the character data. The string can be end with the null character, and then the array can be end with the null character, but string cannot be end with the null character. In an array, the length of the can be fixed. In a string, there is no length is fixed. The array is the mutable, and string is the immutable.